So you probably know that your engine has an air filter, but did you know you have one in your passenger compartment as well? Yeah, so when you turn on your fresh air setting in your AC system and you let that outside air come in, it actually goes through a filter before it comes out of the vents for most cars nowadays. I'm gonna walk you through locating this and changing it out, all right? So typically on the passenger side of your vehicle where the glove box is, open up your glove box, and then for mine, you got to pull these back right here, and it's got a little cylinder. We pop that off. So I'm gonna get that popped off real quick. Hi, sweetie. All right, so we got that popped off there, and that just comes right out. Then you look up right here. All right, that's our cover for our cabin air filter. All right, so let's pop this one off. Looks like we got a little clip here, and it slides over. Cover comes off. Notice it's got an arrow on it. They're going to be directional because the air is coming in from the top and goes down into the air box that way. All right, so let's pull this old one out. And there's mine. We're going to change it out. All right, so doesn't look too bad, but we'll go ahead and change it out. Got a new one here. Cheese. Got a new one here. Same as our factory one. We'll open it up and slide it in. Okay, just a minute. Take our new one. Make sure we got the airflow arrow right there. Slide it in place. And then got our little cover, put back into place. Got it clicked in. All right. Put our glove box back in, and we're ready to go.